If you use data validation to create drop-down lists in either Excel or in Google Sheets, you might want the items on those drop-down lists to be in alphabetical order. And we can achieve that by using the sort function. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So starting off in Google Sheets, I've got a drop-down list in some cells here in column D. Now, the items on this list are not in alphabetical order at the moment. And that list is based on these cells over here. So what I need to do is to use the sort function to sort these items in alphabetical order. The reason I'm using the function rather than just doing a normal data and sort is if the items in the list change, I want the new items to be in alphabetical order. So that's why I'm going to use the sort function. So I type equals and sort, open bracket, highlight the cells and close the bracket. I'll press enter. So nothing has changed in my drop-down list. It's still using, those original cells that weren't in the right order. So all I need to do here is to update the data validation to use the new sorted cells. So I will get hold of the new sorted cells. And now when I go to my drop-down list, it's all in alphabetical order. I'm going to do the same thing in Excel now. So if I switch into Excel, so similar, I've got a drop-down list here. So I want that to be in alphabetical order. So first of all, I'm going to use my sort function to select the cells. And again, the reason I'm using the sort function is so that if any of the items change on this original list, this new list will automatically be in alphabetical order. So all I need to do now is amend my data validation drop-down list to use my new cells that are all in alphabetical order. So now this drop-down list is also in alphabetical order.